Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add trend line in column chart. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to create first column chart. Simply select the data, go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column charts option. In 2D column, select the first column and here you can see the 2D column chart is inserted. You just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of the column chart. Okay, if you want to change the chart style, just simply click on the chart and go to the chart design. And in chart style, you can select here the different types of style is available. Okay, so I selected this one and here you can see your chart style is changed. Now I'm going to add the trend line in the column chart. Click on the charts and go to the chart design. In chart layout group, click on the first option, add charts elements. Okay, and here click on the second last option, the trend line. Okay, so here the different types of the trend line is available. See the preview in the column chart. When I keep cursor on every line, you can see the different style is showing here in trend line in column chart. Okay, so I select here the liner forecast. Okay, so I just click on it and here you can see the trend line is added. Okay, you can just click on the trend line. Okay, right click on the mouse and format trend line. You can use this format trend line also. There are different types of line also here showing. Okay, if you want to forecast, you can mention here the forecast also. Suppose I forecast 40. Okay, and backward you can stay mention here. Okay, display equation on chart. You just click on the box. You can see the equation also you can add on the trend line. Okay, display the R square value on chart. Just click on the R square value also you can display here. Okay, and these are the trend line option available. You can use those you want. Okay, if you want to fill color, just click on the fill line colors. You can use the solid color and you can add here the different color of line. See the if you want to increase the thickness, you can click on the width option. Click on the up arrow to increase the thickness of trend line. See the thickness is increased. If you want to change the line type, you can change here compound type line and dash type. Just click on the dash type. See the different types of the dash type line is available. Click on it and see the changes over trend line. Okay, different look here showing. Okay, and here the second option effects, you can give this different effects also. Okay, shadow effects also you can give on the trend line. Okay, glow effects also you can add on the trend line. See the glow effects is showing. Okay, so this is a way you can use this all this option. There are so many options to apply on your trend line. Okay, so this is the way you can add the trend line in column chart. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.